So something I've been playing about with is making very basic camera movements in my world smooth. So this is a set of cameras that I have in the world. So you can see this is looking at the cubes this way. This is inside the green cube looking down the y-axis. That's that one, and that one's just a slightly off-center upper view. And these need IM GUI outputs. I need to know what's going off. But the new kind of camera, I'm trying to get it buttery smooth, and for that, um, this is the zoom camera. It takes the unknown angle that I'm going for my look and feel of my game, or the actual this instance of the engine run anyway. And I'm trying to make it so that on update it will smooth out the movement by some calculated amount. It's a little bit wild and it has no stopper. So if I go forward, I can see it's going into it, but it carries on through. It carries on all the way through. But I can zoom right out fairly quickly and then zoom quite in very quickly and then back out, back in. It is smooth, but it's not as smooth as I'd like. And I think I need the IM GUI overlay to help me debug this more. But I also need mouse input. Doing it with the keys is fine, but not quite what I want. The home key actually reloads the scene for me. I have some rendering work to do as well. I want to give the shapes a black pencil line along each edge, but that's gonna come later. What I'm thinking about right now is maybe making this part of the scroll wheel, making it go to known values, and when the scroll wheel stops, boop, the camera stops. So speed it up to a set height number. At the moment I can go to infinite speed. I've actually gone beyond the draw range there. Is it going to come back in? There you go. Yeah, just playing about. I think cameras are something I need to spend a bit more time on, don't you?